The question is instantly clear. How can orange garbage become high-end fashion?
Check the quality on this batch.
Looks good. Volume is steady at 500 tons per hour. The extracted orange-based material passes through multiple purification stages, where fine filtration systems remove remaining unwanted particles.
Check the consistency levels on stage 3.
Looks good. Purity is at 99%. The flexibility rating is optimal. Good, send the batch through for spooling. The texture feels much softer now.
Yes, the color is very vibrant.
Readouts confirm optimal cleaning, ready for finishing.
The blue looks consistent across the entire width.
Sensors are reading perfectly clear on the rinse.
The abrasion resistance is still too low on the blend.
Reroute it back to the conditioning chamber. The tensile strength looks good though. The optimization is perfect. Go ahead and transfer the pattern to the cutting system.
Look at how it adjusted the sleeve alignment here. Yeah. Remarkable precision, the waist is minimal.
Revisa la simetría de la manga. Está perfecta. Podemos seguir.
This batch looks perfect.
Yes, the collars are sharp.
The elasticity recovery is excellent, well within the specs. Yes, deformation is minimal. This batch is approved.
Premium clothing must perform as beautifully as it looks.
Ensure all loose threads are removed before stacking. Understood. We must maintain the premium appearance.
I can't believe this is made from oranges. The texture is exquisite.
Yeah.
Yes, it feels incredible, doesn't it? And it's completely sustainable.
Can we get a tighter shot on the cuff label? The monitor capture looks good. Let's try the spray now.
Chin up slightly, look right here. Perfect. That's the one for the catalog, it looks incredible.
A huge distribution center receives pallets filled with orange fiber clothing from the manufacturing facility. Electric forklifts unload the cartons.
The textile actually began with discarded orange peels recovered from food processing. We are really proud of the sustainable process.
This textile is entirely derived from orange peels.
Yeah.
It feels incredibly soft, almost like silk.
The texture on this feels incredible. It's hard to believe it's made from orange fibers.
Look at the water treatment figures here. We've reduced consumption by 20%.
That aligns perfectly with the fiber production scaling. The circular system is working.
The color retention is excellent, but the stitching on the left shoulder shows slight stress. Agreed. Let's note the tensile strength reduction.
The flow rate on Sector 4 is exceeding projections. I see that. Reroute the priority shipment to Dock 3.
Look at the molecular structure here. The alignment is perfect.
And the performance metrics confirm the durability increase.
The tensile strength on the twill pattern is significantly higher.
Yes, and the dye uptake on this Dobby sample is excellent.
This lightweight weave has incredible potential. It almost feels like silk.
And the color saturation on this rust tone is remarkable. Let's move forward with these two.
These orange textiles are cutting perfectly on the CNC. And the seam work on the prototype is excellent. We are ready for the next phase. I am very pleased with the silhouette. The orange textile drapes beautifully, and the seams are absolutely flawless. Look at how different these textures are, yet they all came from the same source.
It's incredible. The versatility of this orange fiber is truly remarkable.
The abrasion resistance is exceptional.
It definitely holds up. We have approval.
The orange fiber composition meets all requirements.
Excellent. Approved for production.